My name is Francis. I came across Forex Beginners Academy when I decided to learn a new skill. I chose Forex but knew nothing about Forex at the beginning. I started a training and right now I can boast of so many things. I now know how to analyze the market because of so many things as taught us, such as support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, trend line and channels, and so many other things. I also learned to use the TradingView to do all these analysis and how to place my trade on MetaTrader 4. Now, I can now place a trade perfectly, set my stop loss, set my take profit, and wait for the market to decide, which with the knowledge I've gathered from Forex for Beginners training, I use them to analyze my market and decide correctly where the market is heading to after placing my trade. I give credit to Sir Ali for giving such information freely. If you've seen this video, you can check them out also. Forex for Beginners Academy. Thank you.